Hey guys, what's up? This is Casey, and you're now watching The Bride Awaits, where we here are awaiting the arrival of Jesus Christ. So, guys, in this real quick video, I just wanted to share this really quick sign that yes, we are in the end times. Yeah, the age is wrapping up. Check this out. So, there's been a blizzard warning for Hawaii. Yes, you heard that right. So, Hawaii, the place, the land of paradise and like the romantic place everybody wants to go to, where it's beautiful beaches and resorts and it's hot all the time. Yeah. So, Hawaii is expecting a blizzard. They said between, I believe, Friday and Sunday being what, December the 5th, by 6 a.m. or 6 p.m. And not only are they expecting that, they're expecting 12 inches of snow. Okay? We're talking like some, New Jersey, New York, Virginia, like Colorado, like stuff. Oh, yeah, by the way, don't worry about it. Colorado hasn't seen any snow. They're good to go. Heard they're in the 60s and 70s, by the way. But back to Hawaii. Yeah. So they're going to be expecting up to a foot of snow from a blizzard. And not only that, 100-mile-per-hour winds. You heard that right. So, guys, I'm looking at abcnews.com. No, abcnews.go.com. And this is where I read this story at. You can read it there also. But guess what, guys? It's kind of everywhere. So you can just go and do a real quick Google search. But yeah, guys, another sign of it is the end. Blizzard. Flood watch. Look at that. Flood watch also. Ooh, I guess from all of that snow. It's so weird. Texas last year. Snow. Crazy snow. And now we have snow expected in Hawaii. I don't know. What do you guys think? Is this what it's supposed to be? Because to me, it's looking more like we're in the end times. But I don't know. You let me know. Okay. Like this video. Share this video. Subscribe if you're not yet a subscriber. And definitely sign up for our newsletter where you can find out other interesting things going on. We send out to you on a weekly basis. So check that out down in the comments and in the description section. And with that said, I'm going to let you guys go. Have a good weekend and try to stay warm, especially if you're in Hawaii. All right, that's it. I'm going to catch you guys in the next video. I'm out of here, guys. Peace.